So now let's move on to this Red Fort complex of Delhi. So this is the Red Fort complex. Who don't know about it? So it is famous for, and it is famous as Shahjahabad Persian Timuri. Shahjahabad Persian Timuri and Indian architecture style, red sandstone architecture, Moti Masjid. So there are few things which is famous for, which is famous with respect to this uh, Red Fort complex. That is, it is known as Shahjahabad. It is Persian, Timuri, and Indian architecture style mixture. Okay, it is made up of red sandstone architecture. It is clearly visible over here, and there is a Moti Masjid which is also famous, which is there in this Red Fort complex, and which is very famous. It is situated in the center of historic city of New Delhi. The Red Fort was built by Emperor Shah Jahan when he shifted his capital from Agra to Delhi. So who built it? Emperor Shah Jahan built it when he shifted his capital from Agra to Delhi, or what was known as Shahjahanabad at that time. So it was known as Shahjahanabad at that time. Fine. The fort became the political hub of the Mughals under Shah Jahan. Mughal art and architecture reached its zenith. So this is also very famous question, that which ruler has made the Mughal art and architecture, under which ruler the Mughal architecture flourished to its best. So it was Shah Jahan. Under the rule of Shah Jahan, the Mughal art and architecture was reached its zenith, and the Red Fort is the perfect example of that. So one can see the blending of Indo-Islamic, Timurid, and Hindu and Persian forms. This is also very famous, very important line, that there is a mixture of, that is fine culmination of Indo-Islamic, Timurid, Hindu, and Persian forms of architecture in this structure, right? So in several facets of the Red Fort, it is made up of sandstone, and houses several other smaller buildings such as private pavilions. The Diwane Khas. The Red Fort is one of the most famous UNESCO World Heritage Site in India, and is managed directly by the ASI. Archaeological Survey of India takes care of this Red Fort.